Working from home has become increasingly popular in recent years, offering a flexible and convenient alternative to traditional office-based employment. If you're looking for work-from-home opportunities, there are numerous options available across various fields and interests. Room rentals. If you have spare rooms or basements, you can turn them into profitable rental spaces. Platforms like Airbnb and VRBO make it easy to advertise and manage your listings, allowing you to generate passive income with minimal effort. However, it is essential to carefully manage your property and maintain high-quality accommodations for your guests. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject or standardized test, you can offer online tutoring services. Online tutoring websites and social media platforms are great for advertising your services. This option allows you to set your own schedule and rates, making it a flexible and lucrative work-from-home opportunity. Virtual assisting. As a virtual assistant, you'll provide administrative support to clients remotely. Social media, networking events, and freelancing websites are great places to find virtual assisting opportunities. This work-from-home option typically involves tasks such as email management, scheduling appointments, and data entry. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is an excellent work-from-home option if you enjoy writing or have experience in a particular niche. You can create content for websites, blogs, or advertisements. To succeed as a freelance writer, it's essential to develop a diverse portfolio showcasing your skills and expertise. Transcribing. Transcription services are in demand across various industries. If you have excellent attention to detail, you can convert speech to text for clients. Paid per audio hour, transcription work offers flexibility but may require you to transcribe less interesting topics. Social media management. Many businesses rely on social media to engage with their followers and promote their products or services. As a social media manager, you'll be responsible for managing social media accounts, creating engaging content, and monitoring analytics. Proficiency in various social media platforms is a must. Online surveys. If you have spare time, you can earn extra money by participating in online surveys. Websites like SurveyJunkie and Toluna offer paid surveys on various topics. Although not highly lucrative, online surveys provide flexibility. In-home daycare. If you're passionate about childcare and have a suitable living situation, you can offer in-home daycare services. In-home daycare providers typically charge a flat daily or weekly rate and can attract a steady client base. Blogging. If you're an excellent writer and have a passion for a particular topic, you can monetize your blog through advertisements or affiliate marketing. Blogging is a time-consuming venture, but it can generate passive income once you've built a loyal following. Dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without maintaining an inventory. You simply forward orders to suppliers who ship the products directly to your customers. This work-from-home option is ideal for those interested in e-commerce and can profit from the price difference between retail and wholesale. Online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Your content can include text, videos, quizzes, and other multimedia elements, catering to specific skills or expertise. Online photo sales. If you're a professional photographer, you can earn money by selling your high-quality photographs to stock photo websites. Your photographs can be used for marketing materials and earn you a steady stream of income. Pet sitting. Pet sitting is an excellent work-from-home option if you love animals. You can offer pet sitting services in your home for pet owners in need, providing them with peace of mind while they're away. However, it's essential to consider your living situation and insurance before offering.